Chandler. Gabe's joining me this morning. Thanks for getting up early with us. This is a beautiful spot you got.
Well, good morning. Welcome to you and your team. We're glad to have you guys here in Chandler, Arizona.
It's every day's taco day for you, but today is quite special as far as tacos go for you guys.
Yes, today being Tuesday, National Taco Day, we are honored to have you and your team allow us to showcase what we're putting out here at Taqueria Factory in the corner of Arizona Avenue and Ray Road.
You guys,
we're ready for you guys.
Yes, look at all this. Let's let's talk about the micheladas first, because you guys really do this up, and you got the whole thing in there. I see the mango, I see the tajin. What are we looking at here?
So right now what we have here is the michelada. This starts with fresh made michelada mix, which is a combination of tomato juice and a bunch of different sauces and spices that give it an amazing flavor. And then we